expected guys, kasi meron akong gift na dumating. Unexpected gift guys, so I'm so happy. I'm so happy guys, so let's go, open natin. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo, at hindi lang apat. Ay, thank you God. Thank you so much. Tcharam! Oh, hulaan nyo guys, ano ito? Tcharam! Guys, na-open ko na to kanina. Kasi pinalagyan ko na siya ng tempered glass. I'm so excited. Ano ba ito? Best for you. Nakalagay dyan ang best for you. Ayan. Na-open ko na to. Totally na-open ko na to kanina. Hindi na surprise. Kasi, pinalagyan ko na siya ng tempered glass. Oh my God. Ayan na siya. Welcome. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, meron na akong bagong cellphone. Thank you. Thank you so much ang aking moderator. Number 1 moderator si Braveheart 512. Thank you so much. Thank you sa iyong napakagandang gift. Thank you so much. Hindi lang ito. Right. Then complete ito guys. Then of course, may stand. Mahaba. Ayan, mahaba siya na. Mahaba. Hindi ko ipakita sa inyo mahaba. As in mahaba. Ouch! Mahaba. Thank you so much. Next is walaan niya ano to. Is a sound card. So, assemble natin to. Ayan, isa sound card guys. Ayan. Isa sound card guys. Thank you so much. Ayan, makakanta na tayo. Ang maganda. Ayan, sound card. Next. Ba't meron ganito? Alarm. Bakit may alarm? Ba't nilagyan mo ko ng alarm? Is alarm clock. Sabi niya ito. Pindutin ko lang daw itong babaw daw. Mag-iilaw daw ito. Tignan natin. Ayun na. Sabi niya pindutin lang daw itong mag-iilaw. Ayun! Ayan o. Alarm clock. Ayan, pwede rin ito. Ayan, ilaw, pag sa gabi. Dim light. Ayan. Thursday. 6:16. Thank you so much. Sir Braveheart, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Unexpected gift, guys. My goodness. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Keep safe always. So very hard. Thank you so much. Love. Thank you.